Hey guys, today I am telling about tips for professional looking garden design. Guys, you can use a variety of flowers type for texture and visual interest. Point number 2, always mix in ornamental grass and shrubs for structure, texture and movement. Guys, and point number 3 is plant for long lasting color. Always use each plant in odd numbers like 3, 5, 7, and also so on. And the second point we will discuss, that is how do you make a perfect garden. Tips for designing the perfect garden. I'll show you some pictures. uh, Look at pictures of garden. The first is break up open spaces. The second one is direct the eyes. Third is vary the textures. Fourth one is use interesting edging. Fifth one is employ garden art. Create movement. Put the right plants together. Look at the picture. This is so beautiful. You can design your garden like this. You can design your garden do like this. This is also a beautiful picture of garden. Look at the style of garden. This is a unique idea for you guys. And the last one point is use found objects. I will discuss you these point. Please, you can go for these points and your garden is looking so beautiful. You look at this picture. These three different type of garden. Each and every garden is perfect styling, color combination.